teachers and my dear friends. Have you ever wondered why some students can express their ideas confidently, speak fluently, read with ease and write beautifully? Is it a magic? No, Netravati. Today we invite you on a magical journey to a place where words become treasure, books become time machine and confidence become a superpower.
Welcome to the kingdom of English. In this kingdom, every character has a special secret to help us. So open your mind, sharpen your ears and get ready to discover the wonderful world of English. Our journey begins in the entrance to the kingdom of knowledge.
Welcome, young learners. This is the kingdom of English.
Wow, what can we learn here? Will this kingdom help us become better at English?
Of course, every corner of this kingdom have a lesson for you.
We are ready.
Then follow me, meet the first guardian of the kingdom.
Now let's see the students who are ready to move on to the next first part of the kingdom, the dictionary's treasure chest.
Hello young learners, I am the dictionary, your helpful guide in the kingdom of English. A guide? How do you help us? Whenever you come across a word you don't understand, I help you discover its meaning. Is that all? Oh, I can do much more. I can teach you the meaning of words, the correct spelling of words, how to pronounce words, how to use words in a sentence. Wow, so you are like a teacher inside a book? Exactly, I help students learn on their own. What should we do when we find a difficult word while reading? Don't skip it, don't guess it, look it up and learn it. The dictionary teaches us that every difficult word is an opportunity to learn something new. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of curious? Excellent, a curious learner is always ready to discover new things. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of huge? Exactly. The right answer is very big. Remember, whenever you are confused by a word, I am always ready to help. Thank you, dictionary. Now we know that learning begins with asking questions and finding answers.
Thank you, dictionary.
Welcome. That's fantabulous. The dictionary teaches us a rich vocabulary makes communication powerful. Now let's witness the students who are ready to move on to the next part of the kingdom, the storybooks fantasy land.
Greetings, young leaders. I am the storybook.
What makes you special?
I am a magic portal.
A magical portal. Where can you take us?
Open my pages, you can fly with birds, dive into ocean and explore space.
Without leaving our classroom?
Exactly. Every book is a new adventure waiting to begin.
So, reading is like traveling to different worlds?
Yes, the more you read, the more you learn, imagine and grow. Every book you open a new world.
Thank you.
Welcome.
That's marvelous. Stories improve imagination, creativity and language skills. Now let's witness the students who are ready to move on to the next and the most important part of the kingdom, the Grammar Doctor's Clinic. Attention everyone, the Grammar Doctor is here for today's checkup.
Doctor, are there 6 students here?
Not students, 6 sentence.
6 sentence. Can sentence get sick?
Of course, whenever a word is in a wrong place or the grammar is incorrect, the sentence becomes weak and confusing. Look at this sentence. They is playing football. Can anyone help me to cure it? Exactly right. The correct sentence is they are playing football. We use is in singular form and are in plural form. Now let's try with one more sentence. I eaten fruits yesterday. Excellent. The right answer is I ate fruits yesterday. The past form of eat is ate.
Why is grammar so important?
Good question, Janak. I would definitely answer. Because grammar helps us to speak, learn, write and understand each other clearly. Just as healthy habits keeps our body strong, good grammar makes our language strong. My prescriptions for all the students is read every day, practice writing, learn new things and check your sentence before speaking.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Remember, good grammar makes your English more clearer and more confident.
Thank you, Grammar Doctor. You definitely made us clear that when our grammar is correct, our message becomes easy to understand. Proceeding further, our friends are going to meet the most important person, the vocabulary fairy.
Twinkle, sparkle, shine so bright, fill your mind with learning light. Wow, who are you? I am the vocabulary fairy. I have words to grow stronger and brighter.
How can words grow?
Let's see. Instead of saying good all the time, we can say wonderful, excellent, brilliant, fantastic. That's amazing. It makes English sound more interesting. Exactly. The more words you know, the better you can speak, learn and write.
So, learning new words makes us better communicators.
Exactly. The new words learning every day, your English will bloom like a beautiful garden. Let's see how powerful your vocabulary is. Can anyone tell me another word for happy? Wonderful, excellent vocabulary. Happy can also become joyful, cheerful, delighted, glad, or pleased. Now let's try another word. Can anyone give me another word for smart? Excellent. Give yourself a huge round of applause. Smart can also become intelligent, bright, sharp, brainy, or clever. See, one simple word can grow into many powerful words. That's the magic of vocabulary. Remember, the words are like a star. The more you collect, the brighter you shine.
Thank you.
Well, you're welcome.
That's incredible. Last but not the least, our friends are going to meet the speaking mirror. Hello young learners, I am the speaking mirror.
Can you tell us the secret of speaking English confidently?
Of course, but first look into this mirror. What do you see?
I see myself.
Exactly, the best person to practice English with is yourself.
But how can we improve our English?
It's simple. Read a little every day, learn a new word every day, listen carefully when others speak, and your confidence will shine more.
What if we make a mistake?
Mistakes are stepping stones to success. Every mistake can help you to learn something new.
So, confidence doesn't come overnight?
No, confidence grows with practice. Remember, read more, speak more, and your confidence will shine more.
We can do it.
Yes, you can. Believe in yourself and keep speaking English.
Thank you.
Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The speaking mirror reminds us that good speakers are not born. They are made through daily practice.
Dear friends, the kingdom of English is not a magical place far away. It is right here. Every book you read, every word you learn, every sentence you speak, and every mistake you correct. If you want to improve your English, read for at least 15 minutes, learn a new word every day, speak English confidently, and it improves your English.
Learn new words. Read every day. Use correct sentence.
Expand your vocabulary.
Speak without fear.
A reader becomes a thinker becomes a speaker becomes a leader. Let us all promise today to speak more, read more, speak more, learn more, and so more.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.